Hello everyone, it's Rory from Pratt's Pods. Today I am here with an iPhone 7. Sorry, just found a bit of glass. An iPhone 7 Plus, actually 7 Plus, that was water damaged. Now, I don't quite know where to start with it. So it's water damaged. When we plug it into our power supply, take them off. Get it somewhere for you to see. I did one of these for you guys the other day, so I know I can do it. So, when we plug it into our power supply, we are pulling 5 amps. So, there is a short. I can feel where it's getting hot, which is right up the top here. So, excuse this joltiness and that. I'm just trying to make it so you guys can actually see what I am doing. Right, so I can see just from having a quick look at the board, you've got your corrosion from the water damage quite heavily here. You can see these components up here are quite heavily corroded too, down the bottom, and that doesn't look like it's quite got there, but I will take that off and have a look. Hopefully this hasn't really gone under the shield. So if I just zoom back out, we don't need a huge view of that. So what I'm going to do now is firstly remove this EMI shield. Let's see what the damage is under there. Thankfully it looks like none. And I'm going to do the same for the bottom. Again, it doesn't look like the water's gotten down to the bottom, so I think we're going to be alright. No, we look clean down there. So I'm going to take this over to my soldering station, have a look under the microscope, but I'm pretty sure we're just going to be looking at replacing or removing these components up here. So let's go and do that now. So I'm going to try and get it so you guys can see well. So keep it like that. Zoom it in. So those components up the top there do look awful. I'm going to use some alcohol to give it a quick initial clean. And I think, to be honest, without even doing any real tests, I might just remove all 4 of them. I'm just double checking up here that none of that water damage has actually gotten through to the motherboard down here as well. So yeah, I mean, she's gotten very lucky just to have some blown capacitors up here. So I'm not going to take the shortcut. I am going to test these. So that is showing I think that might have actually just cleared the short by they look horrible though. They do look awful. Let's see how this one is down here. So it does actually look like that short's cleared just by cleaning, but I must say I'm not one for taking shortcuts. I don't think I'm going to leave these components on there without being replaced, because they are awful. I think what I'm going to do, that one. So yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is remove these. check I've got some to replace them with first. I mean, to be honest, these probably don't even need replacing, but yeah, I don't think they're going to need replacing, but I think I could just knock them off, to be honest. Okay, so first things first, I need to plug my tweezers in. Please excuse, I will be knocking the camera in just a second. That's on. So I am going to remove these and replace them because they look nasty. Use that background noise, guys. So start with you. One. This one is pretty much welded to the board. There we go. That's two. That's three. So I've just realised you guys can't actually see anything that I'm doing because my hand's in the way. That's four. That's all them bad components. Now we'll clean up them pads. Get some nice fresh solder on them. There we go. Now there was just one little capacitor I knocked a minute ago. Just going to go straight back on there. There you go. And before I go any further, I'm going to clean this and I'm going to take it back over there and see if it boots now. It should, even though those capacitors are removed, it should boot now. So, give that a clean. We'll take it over here. And we'll plug it in and see if that short is gone quickly before I go any further. So apparently we still have a short up the top here, right by the Wi-Fi IC. So now I'm glad I checked that. Otherwise I'd have been. So, somewhere up here I have a short, looks like that. area is a bit corroded. And to be honest, I don't see a lot over here, which could be a problem. Maybe I want to remove these covers and have a look under them. Pretty sure the heat was coming from the back, but explore my options before I go in for one. So those ones I just removed definitely looks bad, so I think it was worthwhile removing them anyway. Go, taking off these. Apparently these are rubber water seals to stop water getting in connectors, but that's all a load of rubbish. So what I am going to want to do is find out exactly what part here is overheating. So to do that, clean up around here. So I will be back on video in 1 second. I just need to check something on the schematics. Right, so I've had a look at schematics. Found some VCC main on the other side of the board. I have had a look. It's very well corroded, so I'm just cleaning that up now. Didn't want you guys to miss too much. Cleaning it up now, I'm going to find which component on there is the one that's causing the issue. So I've got schematics open behind me. I can refer back to them without closing video and stuff like that. So we have two I hope you guys can still see that, yeah. And we've got shorts here. I think these ones are short. Right, so we're looking at this one, which is definitely short. Just have a quick look and see what that is. It's replacing, or so I've seen this before. So I've not seen this on the 7 so much, but I have seen this on the 6S quite a bit. So this component that's short is not actually on the VCC main, it is on a speaker amp circuit which connects to VCC main, which is causing VCC main to be short by the looks of it. So first things first, I do have a couple of little components here that have just lifted slightly while I was removing the shield, so I'm just going to sort them out quickly first. Doesn't want to go down. So clean this up first. There you go. Now I'm going to take out this sorted one. I mean, he's going to be a pain to get to, so I might do a bit of picking. There you go. That's him gone. I'll check that that short's gone on that line. And it is, that's, yeah. Which should mean we're also clear over here. Lovely, which should mean we get a phone that boots now. So I'll bring it over here. I'll unzoom. I'll get it connected. As you can see, I've not even gone straight to the power supply. I'm quite confident that this is sorted out the issue. There you go. Prompt it to boot. Learned from the other day doing one of these. There you have it. In a moment, that should all come on. We should have a fully working 7 Plus. After water damage, and that's not even really with water damage treatment as such. It's not even had a clean. They don't always need a clean. Usually we recommend it and say, yeah, we do that. But there we go. 7 Plus brought back to life. A little bit slow, but I'm going to test that all out properly. Replace those couple of components we've removed, and yeah, get it back in one piece for the customer. So that is Rory Pratt from Pratt's Pods, with another board level repair, this time on an iPhone 7 Plus. If you've suffered from water damage on your iPhone, bring it to someone that actually knows how to repair water damage. Don't bring it to someone that's going to just give it a quick clean with alcohol. Give it to someone that can actually do board level diagnostics and actually bring your phone back to life after it's had a good swim. So if you need anything, please feel free to send me a message to get in touch, ask any questions, or if you need a repair, again, please feel free to get in touch. Check us out on the website. Thank you.